Hi, I'm Melissa from Appeggio, and in this video I'll be showing you how to apply and adjust rounding to parts. Most parts can have rounding applied to them, and rounding is found in the decoration editor. So to apply some rounding, select the part, then head over to the decoration editor in the right property editing panel. We click on default, we see that rounding is in the tab at the end. Now we can apply rounding to all of a part or just to some of a part. You might choose the top left, top right, bottom left or bottom right, or a combination of any of those things. And if we have a look at, let's look at the all property, you can see that there's degrees of rounding. So from none up to full. Now some parts come naturally rounded, so cards, for example, come with a little bit of a rounded edge. If you don't want that, you would select the card, then go to all and select none. Now if you wanted to apply rounding just a little bit to all of the edges, you might choose something like medium. It's given it a little bit of a soften on the edge there, or a bit more. That's extra large. Now I'll show you what happens when we select full. We've turned our object into a pill shape. Now had this been a square image, we would have got quite a round looking object there. Now what we can do, you can come up with some fairly interesting shapes here. So I'm going to get rid of this, just to say none on all of it. But you can be selective with where you want to put your rounding if that's the look that you're going for. So for example, I'm going to put full rounding on that on the top left, and then let's go to the bottom left and we'll do full rounding there. And you can see we've got, quite an interesting shape there. So you can be quite creative with the rounding. You can go subtle or not so subtle, and the editor will allow you to do that with all the different degrees of rounding that you can apply and to the different edges that you can apply it to. Thank you.